Hi, welcome to Bad English Lab. Here, we learn English through the greatest TV show of all time, Breaking Bad. This channel turns scenes into lessons and dialogue into your next conversation. Every breakdown gives you real English you can actually use. Let's get into it.
Birthday.
Look at that. Look at that.
Direct your eyes to that. It's like saying, see that, or notice that.
Look at that.
That is veggie bacon. That is veggie bacon.
That thing is a plant-based substitute for bacon. The word veggie is a short way to say vegetarian.
That is veggie bacon. Believe it or not, zero cholesterol. Believe it or not, zero cholesterol.
You might find this surprising, but it's true. This contains no cholesterol at all. Believe it or not is something we say right before we give someone a surprising piece of information.
Believe it or not, zero cholesterol, and you won't even taste the difference. You won't even taste the difference.
And your mouth will not notice any change. The speaker is telling you that the experience will feel exactly the same as the real thing.
You won't even taste the difference.
Hmm.
What time do you think you'll be home?
Hmm.
What time do you think you'll be home?
When are you planning to return to the house? It's a very common question from family or roommates to check when to expect you.
What time do you think you'll be home?
Same time. Same time.
At the usual hour. It avoids giving new or specific information.
Same time.
I don't want him dicking you around tonight. I don't want him dicking you around tonight.
I don't want him avoiding you or wasting your time tonight. Dicking around means to waste someone's time, deceive them, or treat them unfairly.
I don't want him dicking you around tonight. You get paid till 5, you work till 5, no later. You get paid till 5, you work till 5, no later.
Your salary covers your time until 5 p.m. Therefore, you work until 5 p.m., not a minute after. You get paid till 5 means your employer only pays you for the time up to 5 o'clock.
You get paid till 5, you work till 5, no later. Aha.
Hey. Hey, happy birthday.
Well, thank you.
Hey, happy birthday.
Well, thank you.
Hello, I wish you a happy birthday. Oh, thank you very much.
Hey, happy birthday.
Well, thank you.
You're late. Again. You're late. Again.
You have arrived after the expected time.
You're late. Again.
There was no hot water. Again. There was no hot water. Again.
The hot water was unavailable, and this has occurred before. The speaker is stating that a basic service failed, and it's not the first time.
There was no hot water. Again.
I have an easy fix for that. I have an easy fix for that.
I have a simple solution to your problem. This is an offer to help. The speaker is saying they know a quick and simple way to solve the issue you just mentioned.
I have an easy fix for that. You wake up early, and then you get to be the first person in the shower. You wake up early, and then you get to be the first person in the shower.
If you get out of bed early, you will have the opportunity to use the shower before anyone else.
You wake up early, and then you get to be the first person in the shower.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
I just thought of something. This is a common phrase to introduce a new suggestion.
I have an idea. How about buy a new hot water heater? How about buy a new hot water heater?
What is your opinion on buying a new water heater? A hot water heater, often just called a water heater, is the large tank or appliance that heats water for a house.
How about buy a new hot water heater? How's that idea for the billionth time? How's that idea for the billionth time?
What do you think of that idea for the countless, uncountable time?
How's that idea for the billionth time?
Did you take your echinacea?
Yeah.
Did you take your echinacea?
Yeah.
Did you remember to take your echinacea pill? Echinacea is a famous herb. Many people believe it helps fight colds or makes your immune system stronger.
Did you take your echinacea?
Yeah. I think it's getting better. I think it's getting better.
In my opinion, the situation is improving. This means I feel that things are starting to improve.
I think it's getting better.
What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
What is this? But much stronger. The hell shows the speaker is confused or angry by what they are seeing.
What the hell is this?
Hey,
Veggie bacon. We're watching our cholesterol, I guess.
hey.
Veggie bacon. We're watching our cholesterol, I guess.
I suppose we are being careful about our cholesterol intake. We are watching our cholesterol is a common phrase meaning we are trying to eat less unhealthy fats.
Hey,
Veggie bacon. We're watching our cholesterol, I guess.
Not me. I want real bacon. Not this fake crap. Not me. I want real bacon. Not this fake crap.
I don't want that. I want actual bacon, not this bad substitute. The word crap is a rude word for something useless or bad.
Not me. I want real bacon. Not this fake crap.
too bad. Eat it.
This smells like Band-Aids.
Eat it.
This smells like Band-Aids.
Eat it.
This has the same scent as an adhesive bandage. Band-Aids are a brand of adhesive bandages.
This smells like Band-Aids.
Eat it.
So, how'd it feel to be on? How'd it feel to be on?
What's it like being an older person now? It's asking someone to describe their personal experience of life at an older age.
So, how'd it feel to be on?
How does it feel to be a smartass? How does it feel to be a smartass?
What's it like being such a know-it-all? A smartass is a mean name for someone who acts like they know everything and makes rude jokes.
How does it feel to be a smartass?
Good.
Eat your veggie bacon. Eat your veggie bacon.
Consume your vegetarian bacon.
Eat your veggie bacon. You all set?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You all set?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you completely ready? Do you have everything you need? All set is a casual idiom meaning completely ready, prepared, or finished.
You all set?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, see you at home.
Okay, see you.
All right, see you at home.
Okay, see you.
Okay, I will meet you later at our house.
All right, see you at home.
Okay, see you.
Chemistry. It is the study of